For me, the best thing about working for RCT is that it's within my community, and the work I do is making a difference to families and young people within RCT.
The best thing about my job is kind of having the privilege of working with families and having the ability or the opportunity to make changes with them and to improve their circumstances.
I had done my student placements in RCT and just loved the team culture, because social work can be stressful.
RCT have got this ethos that we all work together, and I think that's made a massive difference to the way that we carry out our practice.
We've got a good supportive team around us, and there's also lots of learning and development. We have a mentoring service as well, which has helped.
And you know that if you pick up a phone to a manager or a senior practitioner, that they'll always answer and kind of provide you with guidance and what to do next. So there's that sort of support is just on hand.
Just go for it. It is a really good local authority to work for.